Hi everyone, it's Thea again, and today I will share you my life as a mom slash freelancer because I've been getting a lot of questions how am I able to balance all my time with regards to taking care of a 2-year-old toddler and with regards to working at home. When in reality, I usually work an average of 4 hours a day. Sobra na nga yung 6 hours sa akin. Maximum na yung 6 hours, tapos minimum of 2 hours every day. So, it all depends on my workload. But yeah, to be honest, it's quite simple. And I will share you kung paano ba nangyayari yung buong araw ko. So, every morning, I start my day by feeding my toddler. I don't have an alarm clock, so siya yung mismong gumigising sa akin. We usually wake up at around 8 a.m. Tapos after nun, diretso na kaming kumain. So, usually, dapat talaga magkasama kaming kumakain because having meals together is our biggest bonding time. Kumbaga, dapat hindi mawawala yon. And ako naman, I usually prepare meals for her kung ano man gusto niya. And, of course, my morning coffee. And after having breakfast, after eating, lucky ako that I have my grandparents to watch over my daughter for the meantime. So, may konting singit ako ng time to do self-care. So, I can take a bath, maligo muna ako, and dress up. So, since I work from home, I do freelance work, yung dinadamit ko lang talaga are super comfy clothes like shirt, shorts, sometimes pajama, but I'm well aware that I have to groom myself and I have to dress up so I can feel like I am in work mode. Okay? And of course, after dressing up, linis muna ako, fix ko lang yung bed ko, tapos konting ayos ng bedroom, and I am all good. After fixing our bed, diretso na naman ako mag-client work. So, in the morning, usually nagsistart yung client work ko around 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. Depende kung gaano ako ka-focus. But once again, I'm still working with a toddler. So, nakikikulit siya, nakikilaro siya beside me while I work on my desktop. Okay? And yeah, after I finish client work, siguro around 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., syempre, kailangan magpakain ulit ng bata because I really value our meal times kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-bonding namin. And yeah, today I got our favorite which is crispy Korean chicken. And now na 2 years old na yung baby ko, she's quite picky with what she eats. Tsaka, namimili talaga siya. So, I usually ask her, what do you want to eat? Pag sinabi yung chicken, okay, let's get chicken. O kaya kung anong sinabi yung nakita niya sa bahay. Rice with kung anong ulam. If gusto yung ulam niya, we'll go with that. So, whatever she likes, sinusunod ko lang as long as it's real food. Ayun. And, after eating, matik na binabalikan ko yung work, whatever yung natira kong kailangan gawin, babalikan ko talaga siya. And sometimes, yung additional work ko is yung mga training videos ko for my program na ginagawa ko siya in the afternoon o kaya whatever task that I need to check the community, yung mga Facebook groups namin, chine-check ko siya. And usually, it lasts for around 2 hours. Pag walang meetings, kaya kong tapusin in an hour or 2. Alright? And usually pag hapon na, if I have some free time, dito pumapasok yung napaka-rare me time where I am able to get some air outside, do leisure things, hang out, and just relax for myself. But every time I go out, it's a big factor talaga that my child is well taken care of sa bahay before I even take care of myself. It's not like, okay, I'm gonna go do my me time, tapos wala palang mag-aalaga sa kanya. Hindi pwedeng ganon. So, usually, kailangan talaga siya yung iniisip. And when we are about to end our day, hindi pwedeng ako yung mauuna makatulog. As a mom talaga, super important na papatulugin ko muna yung anak ko before I even sleep myself. Bago ako makatulog, dapat siya yung nauuna. Because, ewan ko, siguro nakasanayan ko lang talaga na laging may taong inuuna before myself. Ever since I became a mom, yun talaga yung tinetreasure kong time na hindi na pwede sarili lang iniisip ko. Of course, yeah, I have to do some self-care, but before yung self-care ko pumapasok, dapat talaga naaalagaan yung bata. So, yun, siguro may message lang to moms who are trying to work at home, o kaya who are struggling to work while having a child. Kaya nyo yan. Initially, it's very hard. Meron pa akong I actually chose to work at home because I had this mom guilt na hindi ko kayang iwanan yung anak ko. I want to see her grow all throughout, and that is why I chose to work at home, so para magkasama kami, which is the best decision of my life. Kasi alam mo yun, walang masasabing yung iba na hindi mo inalagaan yung anak mo. Tapos wala ring tampo na, Mom, you weren't there for me while I was growing up, because I was there naman talaga eh. I am always there, and I just want to see my child grow talaga. So it's totally doable. Like, tawag dito, with regards to working and having a child by your side, kayang-kaya yan. But take note, pag nahihirapan kayo, don't be afraid to ask for help na mag-aalaga, for example, or even magluluto. Huwag kayo matatakot na ask for help. There's nothing wrong with that. Yun. So, I guess that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next.